for faculty or instructors to use SafeAssign, they can log into Blackboard and then go to My UND or Courses and go into any course they teach and access that course. And then make sure that edit mode is on. It should always be on, but if it's not green up here and it says off, just click it to turn it green and say on. And then go to the bottom left of the course under Course Management and Course Tools. Expand that menu and scroll down to SafeAssign. Click there and then do Direct Submit. If you just want to check a paper or any document for plagiarism, I'd keep it on the private tab right here and then say Submit Paper and do Submit as Draft, because then it won't add it to the database unless it's a published paper that you want to add. This will just check it for plagiarism but not add it into the SafeAssign database. And then choose File. You can select any Word document or PDF. I'm just going to have a short sample document here. And then you can copy and paste the text in, but usually it's easier to just use the file itself. And you click Submit. And then it'll take a while to load, but once you come back to this area and you can refresh the page, and eventually it will show up here in the percentage matching, and you can open the originality report. And then on the other side, for students to access SafeAssign, we have the student resource course in Blackboard for every student on campus. And if they go to My Courses and go down to the UND Student Resource Course Spring 2018, or whatever semester it is, it will be updated. They go into Submitting Assignments under Tutorials, and then Submitting Assignments. And then the last assignment here is Practice SafeAssign Assignment. And you click that. And then I'd already submitted one here, but I can start a new one. So it'll show this, points possible. It's just for practice. And you browse computer, same thing, to grab a Word document or PDF that the student wants to check. Or they can drag and drop it into this dotted area also. Once you have it there, then just click Submit, and it will show you just like an assignment that you finished. It will, and they'll receive an email that confirms that they submitted the assignment. And then it shows up here, and if they click SafeAssign, the report is in progress right now. But again, if you come back here after a little while, then they should be able to click here on SafeAssign and view the originality report for the document that they're uploading. So that's the way that students can check for plagiarism in their papers.